This is a test of the National Weather Service NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Warning Alarm System in cooperation with the Emergency Alert System. Tests of this alarm system are conducted every Wednesday at 11 a.m. and at 7 p.m. If there is a severe weather threat, the tests are postponed until the next available good weather day. The alarm tone will activate for severe weather and other life-threatening emergency messages for the following 14 transmitters and associated broadcast areas: WXL 57 at Des Moines, WXL 94 at Bremer County, WXK 84 at Fort Dodge, KXI 98 at Marshalltown, KXI 62 at Montezuma, WXM 91 at Rathbun Lake, WNG 730 at Ottumwa, KZZ 51 at Carroll, KZZ 68 at Van Wert, KXI 65 at Lenox, WNG 666 at Iowa Falls, WNG 668 at Denison, WNG 688 at Ringsted, KJY 63 at Forest City. For a detailed listing of what counties are served by each transmitter, please visit the NOAA Weather Radio section of our website at www.weather.gov/Des Moines. Once again, please visit the NOAA Weather Radio section at our website, www.weather.gov/Des Moines. This concludes our test. We now return to regular programming.
Hang on. Can I go in the hallway for a minute? I gotta go real quick. I gotta go in the hallway for a minute.
During dangerous weather situations, the specially built radios are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the warning alarm tone are normally conducted at this time every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the first good weather day. This warning alarm tone will be activated for watches, warnings,
Yeah, I'm getting the weekly test right now.
statements affecting specific counties based on the transmitter you are listening to.
It's almost done though.
Coverage areas, please check our internet homepage. Receipt of the warning alarm tone will vary at any given location, especially at transmitter and in large buildings. This concludes the weekly warning alarm test. We now return to our normally scheduled programming. The National Weather Service has just activated the warning alarm as a test. During dangerous weather situations, the specially built radios are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the warning alarm tone are normally conducted at this time every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the first good
It's not gonna be too loud. You know what? Silence that.
The National Weather Service in Chanhassen, Minnesota has just activated warning alarms on 13 weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, the especially built radios are automatically activated to warn of the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. In severe weather emergency areas near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming. Now the forecast for the Red Wing area.
The civil authority has issued required monthly tests for the following counties or areas. Minnesota at 1:49 p.m. on March 1st, 2023, effective until 2:49 p.m. This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. If this had been an actual emergency such as a tornado, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. No action required.
I like,